What's going on, guys? A little while back I told you I would do a video about the LED light strips that I installed as turn signals on my 2007 Yamaha FZ6. So today we're gonna do it. Pretty much right when I installed them, I had taken some night shots of them and whatnot, but I wanted to do some day shots so I didn't have to break it up into two videos, and I'm finally getting around to doing it, so let's check them out. I think these LED turn signals made the game of the bike go way up. It looks way cooler in my opinion. I think the integrated taillight by itself is alright, okay, cool, there's turn signals there. I think it's technically legal to have an integrated taillight without actual signals. But just to be on the safe side, I did want to put those turn signals in, and I did buy them actually for the front of the bike, but I decided not to use them there, so I was like, let's just stick them on the back right here. And it turned out super well. I think it looks just super clean, super good. Makes the bike look way newer than it is. It's an 07, and sure, it still does look modern and whatnot, but it wasn't LED before, and I wanted it to be LEDs. And as always, all the parts, all the turn signals are linked down in the description. Help a brother out. Whoever it was that commented that this cat sounds like a dove, you got a point. You got a point. Alright guys, well the LED lights are linked in the description below if you want to check them out. If you're getting them for yourself, click on that link, help a brother out. And I think that's pretty much it. This is a pretty simple video, very straightforward. So, alright guys, till next time, I will see you later.